Today we'll solve an interesting geometry problem, calculating the area swept by a windshield wiper blade. The wiper blade extends from 14 inches to 34 inches from the pivot point and sweeps through an angle of 135 degrees. Let's start by drawing our diagram. First, we'll mark our pivot point. The wiper blade extends from 14 inches to 34 inches from this point. As it sweeps through 135 degrees, it forms two circular sectors. To find the total area swept, we need to understand that we're dealing with the difference between two sectors. The outer sector is formed by the 34-inch radius, and the inner sector is formed by the 14-inch radius. The area we want is the difference between these two sectors. Let's recall the formula for the area of a sector. The area equals pi r squared times theta over 360 degrees, where r is the radius and theta is the angle in degrees. For the outer sector with radius 34 inches and angle 135 degrees, we get pi times 34 squared times 135 over 360. For the inner sector with radius 14 inches, we get pi times 14 squared times 135 over 360. Now let's solve step by step. For the outer sector, 34 squared is 1,156 times pi is 3,632.7 times 135 over 360 equals 1,362.3 square inches. For the inner sector, 14 squared is 196 times pi is 615.8 times 135 over 360 equals 230.9 square inches. The area swept by the wiper is the difference. 1,362.3 minus 230.9 equals 1,131.4 square inches. And there we have it. The windshield wiper sweeps an area of approximately 1,131.4 square inches. This calculation method using sectors works for any wiper blade length and sweep angle. Remember, the key is to subtract the inner sector from the outer sector to find the actual area swept by the blade.